In this video, I will be mixing zinc phosphate permanent cement. This material can be used for luting or as a base. I'm going to show you both in this video. The first steps for luting is I'm going to get my powder, my liquid, my spatula, and a glass slab. Zinc phosphate permanent cement must be mixed on a glass slab. You're first going to shake the powder, and you're going to dispense a powder in the amount of the size of a quarter near one end of the slab. So what I do is, this is about the size of a quarter, so I'll just place some in there, usually up to the first line of the tightening. I'm going to tap that on there, and I'm going to keep this on one side of the slab. Close your lid. Okay, so what you're going to do is we are going to gather this all together into a big square. Okay, like so. And then we are going to divide this into 16 increments. I know it seems crazy, but it works really good. So first what I'll do is I'm going to divide it into 4. Then I'm going to divide it here. That's 4 there. That's 8. And then when we half these up, we now have 16. 16 little friends. All right, next step is to shake liquid prior. And we're gonna do 5 drops of liquid. All right. Now what we're going to start doing is we're going to add 1 or 2 increments of powder at a time until our desired consistency is reached. Spatulate each additional increment for approximately 10 seconds. We're going to mix to a thin consistency which clings to the spatula to form a 1-inch string. So that's how we're going to test it. We're going to take this in and we're going to start mixing them together. Very liquidy right now. This actually sets up really fast, so you're going to want to work very quickly. I'm going to take 2 in because we're not even close yet. Still very liquidy. I would not be able to, nothing is stringing on my spatula yet. Back and forth, back and forth. We're getting close. Let's see. Almost. Let's do 1 more increment. This needs to be easily placed in the prep. All right, I think we're about good now. Yeah, see that? Now we can get a nice little string. All right, now I'm going to move right onto the base. So if I were to keep adding this, as I keep adding increments this way, I am able to start getting more of a base where I'm going to incorporate this all together so that I can make a ball with it to fill the prep. So it's getting really sticky, as you can see. It's already starting to almost set up, but it's not yet. Take a little bit more. I always have alcohol and a gauze, 2x2 gauze ready for this because it sets up so fast. So now what I've got here is I've gotten it to a thick enough amount where I've been able to roll it into a ball. As you can see, when I squish it on my hand, it doesn't leave any residue. That's how I know it's the right consistency. Okay, you're gonna hand this to your doctor, usually on a ball burnisher or some other placing device, and you are gonna get cleaning up on this because it sets up super fast. So you're gonna wipe it down. One tip that I have found works is you take a cabbie wipe, you lay it over the top of this. and just let it sit there. And that usually takes it off really good. But alcohol and 2x2s work great too. Thanks for watching.